Hello everyone, welcome to How to series of Infraun Secura. Today, we will see how to install the Infraun Secura in your network. Infraun Secura VM or OVF file supports three different types of hypervisors are VMware, Hyper-V, Zen Server. Infraun Secura is available in a free edition, which can be downloaded from our website. After the successful registration on the website, you will receive the welcome email with three different VM or OVF files like this. Download your preferred VM or OVF file by clicking on the images provided in the email body. OVF file will be downloaded in a zip file. In this video, we will learn about how to import Infraun Secura OVF on VMware. For recommended hardware specifications, you can refer to the FAQ or the installation guide. Unzip the downloaded file. Log in to VMware. Click on Create or Register VM. Select the creation to type as Deploy a virtual machine from OVF or OVA file. Click Next. Provide the VM name. Click on Select File or drag and drop. Select all three files provided in Secura package. Click Next and follow the on-screen process to deploy the OVF. Once the process is complete, power on the newly created VM. Access the console and use the default credentials to log in into the server. Use the nmtui command, edit the connection, and change the IPv4 configuration to manual. Provide an IP address to the server and save. Once you have provided the IP address, restart the Network Manager service and check the status of the Network Manager service. Take the SSH client access to the newly created Secura VM. Navigate to the OPT directory and list the files by ls command. You will see a Secura initial configuration script. This is the script to do the initial configuration of the Secura application. Give the execution permission to Secura initial configuration file by chmod command. Run the Secura initial configuration file by / followed by the file name. Verify is date, time, and time zone of this server is configured correctly. If it is correct, enter Y for yes, else N for no, and configure the correct date, time, and time zone. The script will next check is the server time zone and Postgres database time zone, log time zone are the same. If both are matching, then the script will show Postgres parameters configured successfully. Else it will display the step on how to configure the time zone and log time zone for the Postgres database. Next, the script will prompt to enter physical IP of the current machine. Please provide the IP address and hit enter. In the next prompt, if the password for the newly created Secura server is changed, then press Y for yes and provide the new password. If not changed, then press N for no. Once the script has been executed, the deployment process is complete. You are ready to use the Secura application now. Open your browser to access the GUI and log into the Secura application with the default username and password. You are ready to use the Secura application now? Watch the Getting Started video on how to start using the Secura application. Thank you for watching.